Changing your payout method on BlockFi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your BlockFi account. Visit the BlockFi website or open the mobile app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Payout Methods or Withdrawal Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to add or edit your payout method. Follow the prompts to enter the new payment details, such as bank account information or cryptocurrency wallet address. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new payout method, review the information for accuracy. Confirm the changes by clicking the appropriate button and check for any verification steps that may be required. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure everything is functioning as expected.